No mai, haere mai. Welcome to the 2021 Aotearoa New Zealand Spelling Bee Final. Today you will see 21 of the top Year 9 and Year 10 spellers from around our motu. They're going to compete in a battle of the words. One misplaced letter and one of them will be out. The top champion speller wins $5,000 for their academic studies and the trophy of being the 2021 Spelling Champion. Holding an event during a pandemic is a challenge, but we are thrilled it is happening. There are 14 spellers in Whanganuiatara and 7 in Tamaki Makaurau. We are at City Gallery and the 7 spellers are in a studio. We are following government regulations with social distancing, mask wearing and hand sanitising. A big thank you to the sponsors, the Wright Family Foundation and our patron, Chloe Wright. This would not be possible without their support and commitment. Also, a big thank you to our partner, Education Perfect. Your mahi is much appreciated. Also, a huge shout out to all the kaiako in the country. This would not be possible without your support. To make this event possible, we have 2 teams. Here in Whanganuiatara, our pronouncer is Peter Kerr, and the 2 judges are myself and Rose Isaac. In Tamaki Makaurau, we have Owen Scott as the pronouncer, and Donna Brookbanks and Tanya Wilkinson as the judges. Mā whiro, mā pango, ka oti te mahi. Tēnā koe, Owen. How are you all there on Queen Street?
On the chairs, because the kids were so excited.
Right, it's nice to see you, Owen. Right, now I'm going to introduce our spellers. It has been a turbulent few months getting to this day. So welcome and wai Māori. Ko te manu I kai ana I te miro, nona te nahere. Ko te manu I kai ana I te mātauranga, nona I te ao. All right. Speller number 1 is Grace Fagerland from Logan Park High School. Speller number 2 is Campbell Drake from Logan Park High School. Speller number 3, Evangeline Te, is from Burnside High School. Speller number 4 is Libby Jordan from Middleton Grange School. Speller number 5, Jasmine Smith from Burnside High School. Speller number 6, Elena Nichols from Western High School on the West Coast. Speller number 7, Lias Morris from Wellington High School. Speller number 8 is Max Carter from Scots College. Speller number 9 is Jessica Park from Chiltern St James School. Speller number 11 is Kelly Wan from Kerikeri High School. Speller number 12 is Sahara Cameron from Sacred Heart Girls College. Speller number 13 is Nathan Murray from Otamotai College. Speller number 14 is Zion Jones from Fraser High School. Speller number 15 is Clara Wang from Maclean's College. Speller number 16 is Nisha Prasad from Maclean's College. Speller number 17 is Abu Bakr from Mount Roskill Grammar School. Speller number 18 is Timothy Suresh from Elam Christian College. Speller number 19 is Rory Brabant from Westlake Boys High School. Speller number 20 is Ansonia Chen from Epsom Girls Grammar School. And our last speller, speller number 21, is Venice Monahan from Kerikeri High School. Shall we give them a big round of applause?
Anna, can I just a wee correction. Speller number 15, it's Claire.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you.
No,
yeah.
I made the mistake too.
Okay, great. Okay. Thanks. So we'll start with the event.
Speller number 1, would you like to come to the microphone, please? Speller number 1, Your word is crucible. It's a noun, Middle English from Latin. It is a container in which metals or other substances may be melted or subjected to very high temperatures. A crucible made of graphite or porcelain can withstand very high temperatures.
Crucible. C-R-U-C-I-B-L-E.
Thank you.
Crucible.
Right. Speller number 2, thank you. Your word is cobalt. It's a noun from the... Oh, right, sorry. Cobalt.
Cobalt. C-O-B-A-L-T. Cobalt.
Speller number 3, please. Aviation.
You repeat the word.
Aviation. A-V-I-A-T-I-O-N.
Speller number 4. Okay. Speller number 4. Your word is pukana.
Pukana. P-U-K-A-N-A. Pukana.
Speller number 5. Your word is ingenious.
Ingenious. I-N-G-E-N-I-O-U-S. Ingenious.
Speller number 6. Embargo.
Embargo. E-M-B-A-R-G-O. Embargo.
Speller number 7. Envisage.
Envisage. E-N-V-I-S-A-G-E. Envisage.
Speller number 8. Regatta.
Regatta. R-E-G-A-T-T-A. Regatta.
Speller number 9. Filibuster.
Filibuster. F-I-L-I-B-U-S-T-E-R. Filibuster.
Speller number 10. Origami.
Origami. O-R-I-G-A-M-I. Origami.
Speller number 11. Sabbatical.
Sabbatical. S-A-B-B-A-T-I-C-A-L. Sabbatical.
Speller number 12. Shtick.
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 S-C-H-T-I-K. Shtick.
Speller number 13. Sapphire.
Sapphire. S-A-P. P-H-I-R-E. Sapphire.
Speller number 14. Pavlova.
P-A-V-L-O-V-A. Pavlova.
Right. Speller number 15, would you like to come to the microphone? Your word is talisman. Talisman.
Talisman. A-L-I-S-M-A-N. Talisman.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 16. Your word is wanane.
Wanane. W-A-N-A-N-E-I. Wanane.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 17. Your word is precipice.
Precipice. P-R-E-C-I-P-I-C-E. Precipice.
That's very good, thank you. Don't race it too much at the end. Speller number 18, would you like to come up to the microphone? Your word is ambiguity.
Ambiguity. A-M-B-I-G-U-I-T-Y.
Very good, thank you. And repeat the word at the end afterwards. Thank you. Speller number 19. Your word is euphemism.
Euphemism. E-U-P-H-E-M-I-S-M. Euphemism.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 20. Your word is antiquity.
Antiquity. A-N-T-I-Q-U-I-T-Y. Antiquity.
Very good, thank you. And speller number 21. Now, your word has two possible pronunciations. You can have either Caribbean or Caribbean. Caribbean or Caribbean.
Caribbean. C-A-R-I-B-E-A-N. Caribbean.
No, well, I think that was okay. Just wait 1 minute. Did you? It was very soft. Yes, just hold it fire then.
Wellington, did you hear 1 day or 2 days? Richard, we're not getting anything. I know.
I'm sorry. Ring the bell. It's got two B's there in it. Sorry about that. Right. That's the end of that round. That is, if I could just say, you mustn't get too soft when, because sometimes we can't hear. So make sure it's clear. Thank you.
Speller number 1, please. And I was a bit remiss before. Once you've spelt the word, please repeat it back to us at the finish. Speller number 1, platinum.
Platinum. P L A T I N U M. Platinum.
Thank you. Speller number 2, abseil.
Abseil. A-B-S-E-I-L. Abseil.
Speller number 3, thank you. Speller number 3, this is a word that has 2 possible pronunciations. Dossier or dossier. Dossier or dossier, but it's all spelled the same.
Dossier. D-O-S-S-I-E-R. Dossier.
Speller number 4. Your word is balustrade.
Balustrade. B-A-L-U-S-T-R-A-D-E. Balustrade.
Speller number 5. Your word is grotesque.
Grotesque. G-R-O-T-E-S-Q-U-E. Grotesque.
Speller number 6. Furlough.
Furlough. F-U-R-L-O-U-G-H.
And repeat the word, please, after it. Speller number 7. Tycoon.
Tycoon. T-Y-C-O-O-N. Tycoon.
Speller number 8. Juggernaut.
Juggernaut. J-U-G-G-E-R-N-A-U-T. Juggernaut.
Speller number 9. Mammoth.
Mammoth. M-A-M-M-O-T-H. Mammoth.
Speller number 10. A word that some of you profess to liking, well, the subject. But the word is algebra.
Algebra. A-L-G-E-B-R-A. Algebra.
Speller number 11. Maramataka. Maramataka.
Maramataka.
Maramataka, yes.
M-A-R-A-M-A-T-A-K-A. Maramataka.
Speller number 13. Igneous.
Igneous. I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Igneous.
And speller number 14. There are two possible ways to say this word: omnipotent or omnipotent.
Omnipotent. O-M-N-I-P-O-T-E-N-T. Omnipotent.
Excellent. Speller number 15, would you like to come to the microphone? Your new word is enigmatic.
Enigmatic. E-N-I-G-M-A-T-I-C. Enigmatic.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 16. Now you can have two pronunciations for your word. You can have either caldera or caldera.
Caldera. C-A-L-D-E-R-A. Caldera.
Very good, thank you. Number 17. Your new word is zeitgeist.
Zeitgeist. Z-E-I-T-G-E-I-S-T. Zeitgeist.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 18. You can have two pronunciations for your word. You can either have Renaissance or Renaissance.
Renaissance. R-E-N-A-I-S-S-A-N-C-E. Renaissance.
Very good, thank you. Speller number 19. Your new word is fastidious.
Fastidious. F-A-S-T-I-D-I-O-U-S. Fastidious.
Very good, thank you. And speller number 20. Your new word is maestro.
Could you please say that again?
Maestro.
Could I please have a definition?
It is a distinguished figure in any sphere.
Maestro. M-A-E-S-T-R-O. Maestro.
Very good, thank you. Back to you, Wellington.
Right. So,
open round with words that you haven't seen until not on the list that you have to say. Good luck.
good luck. Yes, these are new words for everybody. The previous words were one of 200 that the spellers had the opportunity to see and practice. So speller number 1, to the microphone, please. Speller number 1, your word is dawdle.
Dawdle. Could I please have the definition?
To waste time, move slowly.
Dawdle. D-A-W-D-L-E. Dawdle.
Very good. Speller number 2. Decision.
Decision. D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N. Decision.
You're welcome to go as fast as you want, but that was fast, just for your own benefit. Speller number 3. Your word is acoustic.
Acoustic. A-C-O-U-S-T-I-C. Acoustic.
Very good. Speller number 4. Jargon.
Jargon. Can I please have the definition?
Words or expressions used by a particular profession or group that are difficult for others to understand.
Jargon. Jargon. Jargon.
Well done. Speller number 5. Your word is trawler.
Trawler. Could I have the definition, please? Trawler.
A fishing boat used for trawling.
Trawler. Trawler. Trawler.
Very good. Speller number 6. Surtax.
Surtax. Can I have a definition, please?
An additional tax on something already taxed.
Sertax.
Speller number 7. Frivolous.
Frivolous. Frivolous. Frivolous.
Very good. Speller number 8. Misstep.
Misstep. M-I-S-S-T-E-P. Misstep.
Very good. Speller number 9. Associate.
Can you tell me about the word?
The meaning of the word is to make a conceptual connection between, to meet or have dealings with.
Okay, associate. A-S-S-O-C-I-A-T-E. Associate.
Correct. Speller number 10. Ninth.
Ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth.
Speller number 11. Sublime.
Sublime. S-U-B-L-I-M-E. Sublime.
Well done. Speller number 13. Nocturnal.
Nocturnal. N-O-C-T-U-R-N-A-L. Nocturnal.
Correct. And speller number 14. Veteran.
Veteran. V-E-T-E-R-A-N. Veteran.
Well done. Over to you, Owen.
Could you please give me the definition?
Absolutely necessary. Extremely important.
Essential. E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L. Essential.
That's very good. If you could keep your voice up a little bit, thank you. Right, speller number 16. Your new word is spectacle.
Could I have the definition, please?
It's a visually striking performance or display.
Could you repeat the word, please?
Spectacle.
Spectacle. S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E. Spectacle.
Very good, thank you. And speller number 17. you've got two pronunciations for your word. It's either terrain or terrain. Terrain or terrain.
Terrain. Terrain. Terrain.
Very good. If you could keep your voice up a bit, don't get too soft. Thank you. Speller number 18. Your new word is phantom.
Phantom. PHANTOM. Phantom.
Very good. Thank you. Speller number 19. Your new word is pressure.
Pressure. PRESSURE. Pressure.
Very good. Thank you. And speller number 20. Your new word is initiate.
Initiate. INITIATE. Initiate.
Very good. Thank you. Over to you, Wellington.
Back to speller number 1, please. Preamble.
Preamble. Could I please have the definition?
A preliminary statement, an introduction.
Preamble. P-R-E A-M-B-L-E. Preamble.
Well done. Speller number 2. Precinct.
Precinct. PRECINCT. Precinct.
Well done. Speller number 3. Knuckle.
Knuckle. Please, can I have the definition?
A part of the finger at a joint where the bone is near the surface.
K-N-U-C-K-L-E. Knuckle.
Done. Speller number 4. Modulate.
Modulate. M-O-D-U-L-A-T-E. Modulate.
Well done. Speller number 5. Influential.
Influential. I-N-F-L-U-E-N-T-I-A-L. Influential.
Well done. Speller number 7. Premises.
Can you repeat the word?
Premises. Sorry.
Definition?
Definition, sorry. A building occupied by a business or considered in an official context.
Okay. Premises. P-R-E-M-I-S-E-S. Premises.
Well done. Speller number 8. Sympathy.
Sympathy. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y. Sympathy.
Correct. Speller number 9. Poise.
Poise. P-O-I-S-E. Poise.
Well done. Speller number 10. Holistic.
Holistic. H-O-L-I-S-T-I-C. Holistic.
Well done. Speller number 11. Cohesive.
Cohesive. C-O-H-E-S-I-V-E. Cohesive.
Correct. Speller number 13. Intersperse.
Can you please repeat the word?
Intersperse.
Intersperse. I-N-T-E-R-S-P-E-R-S-E. Intersperse.
Yep, well done. And speller number 14. Your word is scenario.
Scenario. Could you please give me the definition?
A postulated sequence or development of events.
Scenario. S-E-N-A-R-I-O. Scenario.
Sorry, there was a C after the S. Back to you, Auckland.
Right, speller number 15. Your new word is emulate.
Could you please give me a definition?
To attempt to match or surpass, typically by imitation.
Could you repeat the word?
Emulate.
What's the language of origin?
It's 16th century from Latin.
Emulate. E-M-U-L-A-T-E. Emulate.
Very good, thank you. Number 16. Your new word is reprieve.
Reprieve. Could you please give me the definition?
The abandonment or postponement of plans to close something.
Reprieve. R-E-P-R-I-E-V-E. Reprieve.
Very good. Right, speller number 17. Your new word is deodorant.
Deodorant. D-E-O-D-R-A-N-T. Deodorant.
Missed out the O. Yes, I'm so sorry that it's D-E-O-D-O-R-A-N-T. Right, speller number 18. Your new word is demystify.
Could you please repeat the word again?
Demystify.
Could you give me the definition, please?
To make a subject easier to understand.
D-E-M-I-S-T-I-F-Y. Demystify.
I'm so sorry, it's D-E-M-Y-S-T-I-F-Y. Right, speller number 19. This is a bit of a current word. Vaccinate.
Vaccinate. VACCINATE. Vaccinate.
Very good, thank you. And speller number 20. Your new word is insular.
Insular. Could I please have the definition?
It means lacking contact with other people.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It is 16th century from Latin.
And could you please repeat the word again?
Insular.
Insular.
I'll say it once more. Insular.
INSULAR. Insular.
Very good. Excellent. Over to you, Wellington.
Round number 5, speller number 1. You kick off round number 5 with mollify.
Mollify. Could I please have the language of origin?
It's Middle English from French and from Latin.
Could I please have the definition?
To appease the anger or anxiety of. To soften.
Mollify. M-U-L-L-I-F-Y. Mollify.
Sorry, it's an M-O. Speller number 2. Foliage.
Foliage. F-O-L-I-A-G-E. Foliage.
Okay, but please just speak a wee bit more slowly and clearly, but yes, correct. Speller number 3. Bachelorette.
Bachelorette. B-A-C-H-E-L-O-R-E-T-T-E. Bachelorette.
Well done. Speller number 4. Fascination.
Fascination. F-A-S-C-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Fascination.
Well done. Speller number 5. Usage.
Usage. Could you please give the definition?
The action of using something or the fact of being used.
Usage. U-S-A-G-E. Usage.
Well done. Speller number 7. Climactic.
Definition.
Definition?
Yeah.
Forming an exciting climax.
Climactic. C-L-I-M-A-C-T-I-C. Climactic.
Well done. Speller number 8. Explicit.
Explicit. May I please have the definition?
Stated clearly and precisely.
Explicit. E-X-P-L-I-C-I-T. Explicit.
Well done. Speller number 9. Languid.
Can you give me the definition?
Having or showing a disinclination for physical exertion, weak or faint from illness or fatigue.
And
Languid.
languid. What's the language of origin?
It's the 16th century from French or Latin.
Okay, languid.
Languid.
L-A-N-G-U-I-D. Languid.
Well done. Speller number 10. Embarrassment.
Embarrassment. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-N-E-N-T. Embarrassment.
Very good. Speller number 11. Sanctuary.
Sanctuary. Can I have the definition?
A place of refuge or safety.
Sanctuary. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. Sanctuary.
Correct. And speller number 13. Superficial.
Superficial. S-U-P-E-R-F-I-C-I-A-L. Superficial.
Correct. Over to you, Auckland.
Speller number 15. Your new word is embroider.
Could you please give me the definition?
To sew decorative needlework patterns on something.
Could you give me the language of origin?
Middle English.
Embroider. E-M-B-R-O-I-D-E-R. Embroider.
Very good, thank you. Number 16. Your new word is symbiotic.
Symbiotic. Could I please have the definition?
The interaction between two different organisms in close proximity, especially to the advantage of both.
Could I have the language of origin?
19th century, from Latin, from Greek.
Could you please repeat the word?
Symbiotic.
Symbiotic. S-Y-M-B-I-O-T-I-C. Symbiotic.
Very good, thank you. Number 19. Your new word is acquaintance.
Could I please have it in a sentence?
Everyone values a friend more than an acquaintance.
Acquaintance. A-C-Q. U-A-I-N-T-A-N-C-E. Acquaintance.
Very good. Could you just keep your voice up a bit? Thank you. And speller number 20. Your new word is heyday.
Heyday. Could I please have the definition?
The period of one's greatest success, activity, or vigor. Heyday.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's 16th century. But there's no specified country.
Heyday. H-A-Y-D-A-Y. Heyday.
I'm sorry, it's H-E-Y-D-A-Y.
That's the end of round 5. Beginning of round 6. Speller number 2. Your word is superlative.
Superlative. Superlative. Superlative.
Well done, correct. Spelling number 3. Deluge.
Deluge. D-E-L-U-G-E. Deluge.
Well done. Spelling number 4. Quasar.
Quasar.
Or quasar, yes, was, but
Can I please have the definition?
Sure. A massive and extremely remote celestial object emitting large amounts of energy. Quasar.
Quasar. Q-U-A-S-A-R. Quasar.
Yes. Spelling number 5. Centrifuge.
Centrifuge. Could I have the definition, please?
A machine with a rapidly rotating container used to separate liquids from solids. Centrifuge.
Could I have the language of origin?
It's the 16th century from the Latin.
Could you please repeat the word?
Centrifuge.
Centrifuge. C-E-N-T-R-I-F-U-G-E. Centrifuge.
Correct, well done. Spelling number 7. Technicality.
Technicality. Technicality. Technicality. Technicality.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Appreciative.
Could you please repeat the word?
Appreciative.
A P P R E C I A T I V E. Appreciative.
Correct. Spelling number 9. Immaculate.
Immaculate. I-M-M-A-C-U-L-A-T-E. Immaculate.
Correct. Well done. Spelling number 10. Artesian.
Artesian. Could I please have a definition?
Relating to a well that is bored into strata supplying water by natural pressure. Artesian.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's from the 19th century and from French. Artesian.
Could you use them in a sentence, please?
Words poured out of him like water from an artesian well.
Artesian. A-R-T-E-S-I-A-N. Artesian.
Correct. Well done. Spelling number 11. Affinity.
Affinity. A-F-F-I-N-I-T-Y. Affinity.
Correct. Well done. Spelling number 13. Projectile.
Projectile. Projectile. Projectile.
Correct. And over to you, Auckland.
You. Right. Speller number 15. Your new word is astringent.
Could you please give me the definition?
It's of taste or smell, and it's sharp or bitter. Astringent.
Could you please give me the language of origin?
It's 16th century, from French, from Latin.
Could you please repeat the word?
Astringent.
Astringent. A-S-T-R-I-N-G-E-N-T. Astringent.
Very good. Well done. Number 16. Your new word is omission.
Omission. Could you please repeat the word?
Omission.
Can I please have the definition?
Something that is left out or excluded.
Omission. O-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Omission.
Very good. Well done. And speller number 19. Your new word is cynicism.
Could I please have it in a sentence?
Nothing would change Dad's cynicism about politicians.
Could I have the meaning, please?
The belief that people are motivated purely by self-interest.
Could you repeat the word, please?
Cynicism.
Cynicism. S-I-N-A-S-I-S-M. Cynicism.
I'm afraid it's C-Y-N-I-C-I-S-M from the word cynic. Over to you, Wellington.
End of round 6, if you'd like to have a leave here. Speller number 2. Criteria.
Criteria. C-R-I-T-E-R-I-A. Criteria.
Correct. Well done. Speller number 3. Disciple.
Disciple. Please, can I have the definition?
A follower or pupil of a teacher, leader or philosophy. Disciple.
Disciple. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E. Disciple.
Correct. Speller number 4. Counterfeit.
Counterfeit. C-O-U-N-T-E-R-F-E-I-T. Counterfeit.
Very good. Speller number 5. Osmosis.
Osmosis. O-S-M-O-S-I-S. Osmosis.
Correct. Speller number 7. Albatross.
Albatross. A-L-B-A-T-R-O-S-S. Albatross.
Correct. Speller number 8. Perpetuate.
Perpetuate. P-E-R-P-E-T-U-A-T-E. Perpetuate.
Correct. Well done. Speller number 9. Lymphatic.
Can you please give me the definition?
Relating to lymph or its secretion. Lymphatic.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Tonsils are part of the lymphatic system in the body's fight against infection. Lymphatic.
Lymphatic.
Well done.
Lymphatic.
Correct. Spelling number 10. Siphon. Siphon. Sorry, probably a better way to say it.
Can you
Siphon.
please repeat it?
Siphon.
Siphon.
Again. Siphon.
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 Oh, siphon. Oh. Could I please have a definition?
To draw off or convey liquid by suction. Siphon.
Could I please have a language of origin?
It's Middle English from French, from Latin, and from Greek.
Siphon. C-I-P-H-O-N, siphon.
Sorry. Spelling number 11. Arterial.
Can you repeat that?
Arterial.
Can I have the definition?
Denoting an important route in a system of roads, railways, or rivers. Arterial.
Arterial. A-R-T-E-R-I-A-L. Arterial.
Correct. Spelling number 13. Boutique.
Boutique. B-O-U-T-I-Q-U-E. Boutique.
Over to you, Auckland.
Right, speller number 15. All tangled up. Your new word is martyr.
Could I please have a definition?
A person who displays or exaggerates their suffering or discomfort in order to obtain sympathy or admiration. Martyr.
Could I have the language of origin?
Old English, from Latin, from Greek.
M-A-R-T-O-R, martyr.
I'm sorry, it's M-A-R-T-Y-R. Right, speller number 16. Your new word is bombastic.
Bombastic. Could I please have the definition?
High-sounding language with little meaning.
Could I please have the language of origin?
16th century, from French, from Latin.
Could you please use it in a sentence?
Politicians often say bombastic things about what they will achieve if elected.
Could you please repeat the word?
Bombastic.
Bombastic. B-O-M-B-A-S-T-I-C. Bombastic.
Very good, thank you. And over to you, Wellington.
And a round of applause at the end of round 7. Speller number 2. Stimuli.
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 S-T-I-M-U-L-I. Stimuli.
Correct. Speller number 3. Lineage.
Lineage. Please may I have the definition?
Descent from an ancestor or ancestors.
Lineage. Lineage. L-I-N-E-A-G-E. Lineage.
Correct. Speller number 4. Syllabus.
Syllabus. Can I please have the language of origin?
It's from the 17th century, from Latin and from Greek.
Syllabus. S-Y-L-L-A-B-U-S. Syllabus.
Correct. Speller number 5. Lesion.
Lesion. Could I please have the definition?
A region in an organ or tissue which has suffered damage through injury or disease. Lesion.
Lesion. L-E-S-I-O-N. Lesion.
Correct. Speller number 7. Beguile.
Definition?
To charm or enchant. Beguile.
Okay. Beguile. B-E-G-U-I-L-E. Beguile.
Correct. Speller number 8. Genome.
Genome. Can I get the definition?
The complete set of genetic material of an organism.
Okay. Genome. G-E-N-O-M-E. Genome.
Well done, correct. Speller number 9. Prosaic.
Can you please repeat the word?
Prosaic.
Can you give me the definition?
Commonplace. Unromantic. Prosaic.
What's the language of origin?
It's 16th century from Latin.
Prosaic. P-R-O-S-A-I-C. Prosaic.
Correct, well done. Speller number 11. Subtlety.
Subtlety. Can I have the definition?
Something so delicate or precise as to be difficult to analyse or describe. Subtlety.
Subtlety. S-U-B-T-L-E-T-Y. Subtlety.
Very good. Speller number 13. Stratagem.
Can you please repeat the word?
Stratagem.
Stratagem. Can I please have the definition?
A plan or scheme intended to outwit an opponent. Stratagem.
Stratagem. S-T-R-A-T-O-G-Y-M. Stratagem.
No, it's strata plus gem, I'm sorry. Back to you, Auckland.
Speller number 16, and here we are getting all caught up again. Right, your new word is tertiary.
Tertiary. Can I please have the definition?
Third in order of level.
Tertiary. T-E-R-T-I-A-R-Y. Tertiary.
Very good, thank you. And back to you, Wellington.
That's the end of round 8. Right, the rounds are getting shorter. Speller number 2. Anecdote.
Anecdote. A-N-E-C-D-O-T-E. Anecdote.
Correct. Speller number 3.
Decadence.
Decadence. And when you're ready, the word again is decadence.
Decadence.
Can you say it again?
Decadence.
Yeah, you've got it right, just a bit more.
Decadence. DECADENCE. Decadence.
Okay, I hope your voice gets better, but that's correct. Speller number 5. Sorry, what are you? Oh, 4, my apology, right, jumped. Prologue.
Prologue. PROLOGUE. Prologue.
Well done, speller number 4. Speller number 5. Minstrel.
Minstrel. Could I please have the definition?
A medieval singer or musician.
Minstrel. MINSTREL. Minstrel.
Correct. Speller number 7. Ingratiate.
Definition, please.
To bring oneself into favour with someone by flattering or trying to please them. Ingratiate.
Okay. Ingratiate. INGRATIATE. Ingratiate.
Correct. Speller number 8. Asthma. Asthma.
May I please have the definition?
A respiratory condition causing difficulty in breathing and usually associated with allergic reaction. Asthma.
Asthma. A-S-T-H-M-A. Asthma.
Right, just keep that voice up, but correct. Speller number 9. Cajole.
Can you tell me about the word?
Its definition is to persuade someone to do something by sustained coaxing or flattery. Cajole.
Cajole. C-A-J-O-L-E. Cajole.
Correct. Well done. Speller number 11. Liaison.
Liaison. L-I-A-I-S-O-N. Liaison.
Well done. Over to you, Owen.
Thank you. Speller number 16. Your new word is prophetic.
Prophetic. Can I please have the definition?
Accurately predicting the future.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's Middle English, from French, from Latin, from Greek.
Could you please use it in a sentence?
Sure. When Marty predicted the Black Caps would win the World Test Cricket competition, he was being prophetic.
Prophetic. P-R-O-P-H-E-T-I-C. Prophetic.
Thank you. Well done. Over to you, Wellington.
And that's the end of round 9. Speller number 2. Designated.
Designated. D-E-S-I-G-N-A-T-E-D. Designated.
Well done. Speller number 3. Repercussion.
Repercussion.
Or repercussion. Sorry?
Definition, please.
Definition. An indirect result of an event or action. Repercussion.
Repercussion. Repercussion. Repercussion.
Correct. Spelling number 4. Audaciously.
Can I please have the definition?
Recklessly daring. Audaciously.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's from the 16th century Middle English, comes from Latin.
Audacious or audaciously?
Audaciously.
Audaciously.
Yes.
Audaciosly. Audaciously.
Right. Correct. Spelling number 5. Nefarious.
Nefarious. Could I please have the definition?
Wicked or criminal. Nefarious.
Nefarious. Nefarious. Nefarious.
Well done. Spelling number 7. Illuminating.
Definition?
Helping to clarify or explain. Illuminating.
Illuminating. ILLUMINATING. Illuminating.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Incremental.
May I please have the definition?
Increasing or adding, especially one of a series on a fixed scale. Incremental.
Okay. Incremental. INCREMENTAL.
Correct. Spelling number 9. Incursion.
Can you tell me all the information about the word?
An invasion or attack, especially a sudden or brief one. Incursion.
What's the language of origin?
It's Middle English from Latin. Incursion.
Yes, please.
A younger sibling bursting into your bedroom at 7 a.m. is an incursion. Incursion.
Okay.
Yes,
Incursion.
Yeah.
INCURSION.
Well done.
Incursion.
Speller number 11. Asinine.
Can you repeat that?
Asinine.
What's the definition?
Extremely stupid or foolish. Asinine.
Can I have it in a sentence?
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is known for making asinine comments. Asinine.
What's the part of speech?
It's 15th century from Latin. It's an adjective. My apologies. Sorry, I didn't hear that. Asinine.
Asinine. You said it again? Asinine. ASSANINE. Asinine.
I'm sorry. It's got one S. Yes, and two I's. My apologies. Back to you, Mr. Scott.
Speller number 16. Your new word is equable.
Equable. Could I please have the definition?
It means calm and even-tempered.
Equable. EQUIBLE. Equable.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's EQUABLE.
That's the end of round 10, and we've got how many left? 7 people left. Speller number 2. Impromptu.
Impromptu. No definition, please.
Unplanned or unrehearsed. Impromptu.
Impromptu. IMPROMPTU. Impromptu.
Correct. Speller number 3. Surmise.
Surmise. Surmise. SURMISE. Surmise.
Correct. Speller number 4. Surrogate.
Surrogate. SURROGATE. Surrogate.
Well done, correct. Speller number 5. Critique.
Critique. Could I have the definition, please?
To evaluate in a detailed and analytical way.
Critique. CRITIQUE. Critique.
Well done. Speller number 7. Requisite.
Definition.
A thing that is necessary for the achievement of a specified end. Requisite.
Okay. Requisite. REQUISITE. Requisite.
Well done. Speller number 8.
All good. I'm not out yet.
Yes. Implicit.
Implicit. Definition, please.
Implied, though not directly expressed. Implicit.
Implicit. IMPLICIT. Implicit.
Correct. Speller number 9. Buoyant.
What's the definition?
Cheerful and optimistic. Buoyant.
Okay. Buoyant. BUOYANT. Buoyant.
Well done. And we are back to... that's round 11. Speller number 2. Whimsical.
Whimsical. WHIMSICAL. Whimsical.
Correct. Speller number 3. Speller number 3. This word can have 2 ways of saying it. Accomplice or accomplice. Accomplice or accomplice.
Accomplice. ACCOMPLICE. Accomplice.
Correct. Speller number 4. Periphery.
Periphery. Can I please have the definition?
The outer limits or edge of an area or object. Periphery.
Periphery. PERIPHERY. Periphery.
Correct. Speller number 5. Soporific.
Soporific. Could I please have the definition?
Inducing drowsiness or sleep. Soporific.
Could you please use it in a sentence?
The soporific music made me nod off in the concert. Soporific.
Soporific. S-O-P-O-R-I-F-I-C. Soporific.
Correct. Spelling number 7. Insuperable.
Definition.
Impossible to overcome. Insuperable.
Insuperable. I-N-S-U-P-E-R-A-B-L-E.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Adjournment.
Could you please repeat the word?
Adjournment.
And can I please get the definition?
The breaking off of a meeting with the intention of resuming it later.
Okay.
Adjournment.
Adjournment. A-D J-O-U-R-N-M-E-N-T.
And the last of round 12, number 9. Spelling 9, I suppose, sorry. Adjudicate.
A definition, please.
To make a formal judgment on a disputed matter. Adjudicate.
Language of origin.
It's the 18th century from Latin. Adjudicate.
Okay, adjudicate. A-D-J-U-D-I-C-A-T-E. Adjudicate.
Correct. And that's the end of round 12. Number 2. Speller 2, sorry. Arbiter.
Arbiter. Can I have the definition, please?
A person who settles a dispute. Arbiter.
A-R-B-I-T-E-R. Arbiter.
Correct. Speller number 3. Expostulate.
Expostulate. Expostulate.
Expostulate, yes. Expostulate, yes.
Expostulate. Expostulate. What's the definition, please?
To express strong disapproval or disagreement. Expostulate.
Origin, please.
It's 16th century from Latin.
Expostulate. Expostulate. E-X-P-O-S-T-U-L-A-T-E. Expostulate.
Well done. Spelling number 4. Cryptography.
Cryptography. C-R-Y-P-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Cryptography.
Well done. Spelling number 5. Oscillate.
Oscillate. Could I please have the definition?
To fluctuate between two states, limits, opinions.
Oscillate. O-S-C-I-L-L-A-T-E. Oscillate.
Spelling number 7. Exfoliate.
Definition.
To wash or rub the skin with a granular surface to remove dead cells. Exfoliate.
Exfoliate. E-X-F-O-L-I-A-T-E. Exfoliate.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Solvency.
Can you please repeat the word?
Solvency.
And definition, please?
The state of having assets in excess of liabilities. Solvency.
Can you please repeat the definition?
The state of having assets in excess of liabilities. Solvency.
Solvency? All right, solvency. 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 Solvency.
Correct. Well done. Spelling number 9. Requisition.
What's the definition, please?
An official order laying claim to the use of property or materials. Requisition.
A language of origin?
Middle English from Latin. Requisition.
Can you use it in a sentence, please?
The land was taken by the government under requisition.
Okay, requisition. REQUISITION. Requisition?
Yep. And that's the end of round 13. Speller number 2. Polemical.
What? Can you repeat the word?
Polemical.
Polemical.
Polemical. Or polemical.
Definition?
The practice of engaging in controversial debate or dispute. Polemical.
Polemical. PULECEMICAL. Polemical.
Sorry. Speller number 3. Portuguese.
Portuguese. Definition, please.
The language of Portugal and Brazil, a Romance language spoken by about 160 million people. Portuguese.
Portuguese. PORTUGESE. Portuguese.
Sorry,
What?
there was 2 U's.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. You missed the C.
RTUGESE. You missed out that second U. Yeah, sorry.
Speller number 4. Yes. I didn't hear the second U. Lugubrious.
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 Lugubrious. Can I please have the definition?
Mournful, sad and dismal. Lugubrious.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's from the 17th century and it came through Latin. Lugubrious.
Can you please use it in a sentence?
Dan's lugubrious expression had the whole family feeling sombre. Lugubrious.
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 Lugubrious. LUGUBRIOUS. Lugubrious.
Correct. Speller number 5. Embryonic.
Embryotic.
Embryonic.
Embryonic. Could I please have the definition?
In or at a rudimentary stage, embryonic.
Could I please have it used in a sentence?
The new MP was told their career as a politician was embryonic.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's Middle English from Latin and from Greek. Embryonic.
Embryonic.
Yes.
E-M-B-R-I-O-N-I-C. Embryonic.
Sorry, it's a Y. B-R-Y-O-N-I-C. Speller number 7. Harbinger. Harbinger.
Definition?
A person or thing that announces or signals the approach of something. Harbinger.
Harbinger. Harbinger or harbinger. Or harbinger. I don't know if it's a consecutive. Harbinger. H-A-R-B-I-N-G-E-R. Harbinger.
Correct. Speller number 8. Memorabilia. Memorabilia.
Memorabilia?
Memorabilia.
Yeah, okay. Just in case, definition, please.
Objects kept or collected because of their association with memorable people or events. Memorabilia.
Memorabilia. M-E-M-O-R-A-B-I-L-I-A.
Correct.
It's one of they.
And speller number 9. Redoubtable.
Can you say it again, please?
Redoubtable.
Can you give me the definition, please?
It's of a person. It's often humorous, meaning formidable, especially as an opponent. Redoubtable, like a redoubtable opponent.
Can you use it in a sentence, please?
I never argue with my mother about getting to school on time. She is redoubtable.
And the language of origin?
Sure. Middle English from Old French. Redoubtable.
Can you spell it? No. Okay.
I've got it in front of me, so I can, yes.
Okay, redoubtable. R-E-D-O-U-B-T-A-B-L-E. Redoubtable?
Yes. And that's the end of round 14.
Take these chairs away, and then we can have you alive. And while you're doing that, wow, what a day. We haven't seen some amazing spelling today. And a lot of the spellers here today are Year 9, so they have got that opportunity to try and take part again next year, and I think that's something to really think about, to take up this opportunity to come back next year. What we have now is 4 spellers left on the stage, and we've got speller number 4, Libby Jordan from Middleton School. It's Middleton Grange School, isn't it? In Christchurch. And we have speller number 7, Lias Morris from Wellington High School, and Max Scarter from Scots College in Wellington, and speller number 9, Jessica Park from Chiltern St James School. So actually it's 3 spellers from Wellington here. Now, what could happen now, not that I have a magic glass ball, but if all of you get a word wrong, we will repeat the round. So just to, so we may, or if 3 of you get the word wrong now, and the one speller gets the word right, then we have our winner. Or we could end up with 3 spellers spelling till midnight. Let's give them all a round of applause. So if you do misspell your word at the stage, could you just still stay on the stage until the end of your round? But good luck, you've done really well.
Speller number 4. Your word is sublimate.
Sublimate. Can I please have the definition?
To transform into a pure or idealized form. Sublimate.
Sublimate. Sublimate. Sublimate.
Correct. Spelling number 7. Partiality.
Definition?
Favouring one side in a dispute above the other. Partiality.
Okay. Partiality. P-A-R-T-I-A-L-I-T-Y. Partiality.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Exponential.
Exponential. Definition?
It's of an increase, becoming more and more rapid.
Okay.
Exponential.
Exponential. E X P O N E N T I A L. Exponential.
Correct. Spelling number 9. Mahogany. Mahogany.
Mahogany. Can you please give me the definition?
A rich reddish brown colour. Mahogany.
And the language of origin?
It's from the 17th century of unknown origin. Mahogany.
Can you use it in a sentence, please?
The memory of the colour of Grandad's mahogany desk remained for a lifetime. Mahogany.
Okay, mahogany. M-A-H-O-G-A-N-Y. Mahogany.
Correct. And that's round 15, folks. Spelling number 4. Extrapolate.
Extrapolate. Could I please have the definition?
To extend the application of a method of conclusion to different or larger groups. Extrapolate.
Could I please have the language of origin?
It's 19th century from Latin. Extrapolate.
Could you please use it in a sentence?
From the data, we extrapolate that the number of students wishing to study the theory of 10-pin bowling will double. Extrapolate.
Extrapolate. E-X-T-R-A-P-P-O-L-A-T-E. Extrapolate.
Sorry, you threw in an extra P. I'm sorry. Spelling number 7. Your word is expedite.
Definition.
To cause to be accomplished more quickly. Expedite.
Expedite. E X P E D I T E. Expedite.
Correct. Spelling number 8. Rhetorical.
Rhetorical. May I please have the definition?
Surround a question. Ask for effect or to make a statement rather than to elicit information. Rhetorical.
Rhetorical. R-H-E-T-O-R-I-C-A-L. Rhetorical.
Correct. Spelling number 9. Limousine.
Can you please give me the definition?
A large, luxurious car, typically with a partition behind the driver. Limousine.
Language of origin?
20th century from the French. Limousine.
Limousine. Limousine.
Well done.
Limousine.
That's round 16. We're down to 3. Speller number 7. Luminescent.
Definition?
The emission of light by a substance that has not been heated. Luminescent.
Luminescent. Luminescent. Luminescent.
Correct. Speak as speller number 8. Exchequer.
May I please have the definition?
A royal or national treasury. Exchequer.
Exchequer. Oh boy. Exchequer. EXCHEQUER. Exchequer.
Correct. Speller number 9. Luddite.
Pardon?
Luddite.
Can you give me the definition, please?
A person opposed to industrialisation or new technology. A Luddite.
Is that a Luddite?
Luddite, yes.
What's the language of origin?
Perhaps from the Dutch.
Okay. Can you please use it in a sentence?
When it comes to technology, most young people think an adult is a Luddite.
Luddite. LUDDITE.
It's round 17. Speller number 7. Corsair.
Definition.
It's a pirate ship, especially one operating in the Mediterranean in the 16th to 18th centuries. Corsair.
Language of origin.
16th century from French. Corsair.
Etymology? Or did I already, etymology?
Yeah,
Answering to the masculine. Etymology?
it's a noun.
Use it in a sentence.
The ship sailing into the harbour looked so menacing it had to be a corsair.
Corsair? Okay. Corsair. Corsilla. Corsair? Yeah.
Speller number 8. Gossamer.
Can you please repeat the word?
Gossamer.
Oh, gossamer. Definition?
Sorry, what is
The definition?
a very fine and insubstantial.
Okay.
Gossamer.
Gossamer. GOSSAMER. Gossamer.
Correct. Speller number 9. Spontaneity.
Can you please say it again?
Spontaneity.
Spontaneity. Can you please tell me everything about it?
Sure. It's a noun. It's the 17th century from Latin. Its meaning, definition, is the state of an unpremeditated occurrence without external stimulus. Its use. Because Lenny was a control freak, he never engaged in spontaneity.
Okay, spontaneity. SPONTENAITY.
Sorry, it's...
But we have our winner now. Max, congratulations. Yeah. And well done to you, and we'll have some runner-up prizes for your places. Yes. Didn't we see some amazing spelling today? And so our winner is Max Carter from Scots College in Wellington with the word Solvency. Right, congratulations, and thank you all for being a wonderful it's been a huge day. Thank you, everyone. And congratulations, Max. Thank you. Maybe I've done well. Yeah, you got it down. Yeah, and well done to you too. You're a fantastic runner-ups. And we will, so. With that, the event is over. Thank you for being a fantastic audience in these really testing times. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. And, have a lovely afternoon.